Welcome back to the channel. Today we look at Cummins Calterm, the advanced engineering tool for Cummins ECMs. Where INSITE ends, Calterm begins, with direct access to calibration data. First, know the difference. INSITE handles daily diagnostics, fault codes, and tests. Calterm goes deeper, into the calibration itself. For most repairs INSITE is enough, but advanced work needs Calterm. Connect with a quality adapter like the Cummins Inline 7. Stable power is critical here, so keep the batteries on a charger. Open Calterm and load the ECM calibration to begin. Inside, you see thousands of parameters organized in groups. Use the search to find what you need, from fan control settings to torque tables. Every value tells part of the engine story. Before touching anything, save the original calibration file. Change one parameter at a time and test the result. Document every change, so you can always return to a known good state. The screen monitor shows live ECM variables while the engine runs. Build a custom layout for the values you care about, and watch how your parameter changes affect real behavior instantly. Typical Calterm jobs include enabling ECM features, tuning fan and idle behavior, and customizing fleets for their routes. Done right, these changes save fuel and downtime across a whole fleet. Rules of the road. Never edit a parameter you do not understand. Keep emissions systems legal and intact. And road test after every change, because the data must match the real world. That is Cummins Calterm, serious power for serious technicians. We provide the full version with remote installation and support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more guides, and see you in the next video.